We actually got a good amount of snow last night, which means we can finally do that ski vlog that we've been talking about. Now, it won't be today, but we're definitely gonna plan something out because I think the last time we've gone skiing together was like 2 years ago. So it's definitely long overdue. We gotta get it done this year. And I think it'd be really fun to bring you guys along. I'm on my way to meet up with Wambo right now. We're gonna be heading down to Javi's shop to get some stuff done on Wambo's car. And then hopefully after today, he will be ready to push a little bit more power. All right, let's go see if Wambo's ready. He just texted me, so. What's up, Apollo? What's up? What's up? What's up, Apollo? Wake up! You ready? Okay. Too much milk last night. Wambo tried doing some donuts in the daily. Last time you drove in snow tire in winter in summer tires, I heard you crashed.
I'm amazing.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, when I hit that mailbox.
Quick Starbucks run. Look at this douche parking. That is Wambo. Coffee for Wambo so he wakes up. Cake. Cake pop. Nothing like cake on a stick.
Cake on a stick. There's nothing better than to end your day with a cheesecake on a stick.
How are you? Good, how are you? Feels good to be back at Javi's shop. He's got his daily Forester over there. Wambo's car is about to get pulled in.
You want to pull it in or?
Go for it. Sure. Yeah.
My brother gave it to me this morning. Yesterday, huh? At night. Last night. It didn't fit him.
Dude, that shit's sick.
We came into Javi's shop to take care of my spark plugs. I haven't done them since I got the car. We also needed to take care of the spark plugs before we even think about throwing on the downpipe. Also, I'm super excited to show you guys what finally came in. It's been about 2 years. It got lost in the mail. So it finally arrived, and we'll show you guys that surprise a little later. Shout out to Javi. Spark plugs are all done. You're the man, Javi.
I'll try.
Hell yeah. Damn. New spark plugs, new man.
Ready. New year. New plugs. New holes.
New
Spark plugs. Check mark. Transmission fluid. Check mark.
Wambo buying me food. Almost check mark.
Danny spotting me a beer. Check mark.
Does it feel any different? The spark plugs? Nah. Same.
I mean, I think it actually has a better response, actually.
A little bit.
Yeah. before I would like put gas and take a little bit longer.
75,000 miles for a spark plug change. You're like Marco with oil changes. He did his like a year. Every year he does one.
No, yeah,
dude.
That's crazy.
Guys, you already know we got to get some food. So we came to Firehouse Subs.
Combo with chips and drink? Yes.
What's good? What's good?
Sea salt vinegar, turkey bacon ranch.
Ooh, that actually sounds bomb.
Sweet tea. I always forget how big it is. The pickle?
Take another bite.
No, I don't want people to know I like pickles. Because I don't really like pickles. Yum.
We have the meat. Just kidding, that's Arby's.
First bite. Just got done eating our subs. What you think?
Dude, they're pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I like it.
But we're gonna head back to my house. Go ahead and show you what I got waiting.
Made it back to Wambo's house. I think it's time, Wambo. Show them what you got.
I'm ready. I finally came in.
Check it out, guys. Coilovers for the
Monster
Subi.
truck is getting lower.
Dude, it's been so long. You guys have been talking about Wambo's wheel gap for like 2 years. And dude, the mailman, they found it, bro. It was lost in the mail and it's here. So let's go ahead and unbox them. Still can't believe Wambo actually sent it on coilovers. This is something that I've wanted for him for the longest time. So I'm super excited to finally see these on his car. How do you feel?
Pretty excited, actually. I've waited forever too, so.
Wambo went with BC Racing and he went with the BR series coilovers, which are the same ones I think that Ongo was running on his car before he went bags. Let's see. Damn, dude, that's crazy. I can't believe they're actually here, dude. Look at that. Got the camera plates on the front ones, and I think the rears don't have them. But if Wambo ever wants to run them, then there's an option to switch that out later on. But I think for now you'll be good.
I'm hyped. Install when we install these boys.
When do you guys want to see us install these coilovers on Wambo's car? I think maybe next week, if you're down. I'd be down for that. Dude, I like the color, huh?
Yeah.
Black and it's like gold. Not really, huh? It's like a rose gold almost.
Yeah.
That's sick though.
Rose gold. Hope you guys are as hyped as much as I am. Super excited. I know I put it off a long time, but they're finally in. We're gonna install these bad boys and make the car go low. Low.
This will probably be one of the last times that you guys see this big old gap right here, but we're gonna take care of that pretty soon. Hopefully we can install these within like the next week or so. I think that'd be ideal. It's gonna look so good though.
Shortly after we install these bad boys, we do have plans to throw on the downpipe here soon, so
Get a tune.
get a tune. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned for the tune.
Stay tuned for the tune. Big thanks to Javi for helping me out with my spark plugs. If you guys enjoyed today's surprise, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for kicking it with us. We'll see you guys next week. Like, comment, subscribe.